Eric Graham, what's up? Thank you so much. Let's see. Hey, Red Candle's in the house. What's up, buddy? Caught the tail end of your stream last night. Yeah, I caught it. You were just signing off. I was just going to sleep. Hey, BT Billy, what's up? It's going great. Good day. Eric Lake, Top Step Tears. Yeah, today went well. It was lonely. I talked to myself for hours. Yeah. I feel your pain, man. I've done that. I've grinded that. Eric Lakes, loving my funded futures. Let's go. It is a grind, bro. It is a grind. Damn. Still a grind. People ask me, like, you know, people in my personal life ask me, like, you know, are you going to continue to stream at night, in the evenings like I am right now? And I said yes. So I have to for the channel. He says, well, if your channel gets big enough, would you just stream during the day? I says, well, yeah, I want to start doing more of that too again, but ideally I'd like to trade in the mornings or during the day, but you gotta do what you gotta do. But yeah. Hey Amelia, what's up? Good to see you. Oh, 100%, Eric. I mean, red candles. That's why I do it. I mean, before I started doing my nighttime streams, I had hardly anybody watching. And then once I started doing the nighttime streams, it started growing like crazy, which is awesome. You got your body handed to you earlier, Eric. Hey, Beanstalk, what's up? Hey, Roa, what's happening? Good to see you, man. Yeah, I usually get off at 8, around 8, yep. Sometimes I go a little later, but pretty much. Too bad, red candles, you're not on the West Coast, because London is prime. The London Open. Not many people streaming the London right now. But, you know, you gotta get up super early, that's the problem. Keegan! Yo, Jim! Great days, PAs, 1301, PA 1603. Nice go, Roa. Nice days. Yeah, I was not really home this afternoon when the market was really selling off. But I did make some money in some options, which was nice. Sold some, what did I do? So QQQ call credit spreads. Made a little money. Don't ask me anything about them. I'm still learning. But I made money. So, hey, my very first credit, my option spreads made some money. Hey, Coach Fred. Hey, thank you, Fred. Fred made some money today. I see. You only trade SPX options. I guess that's the gambler in you. Yeah, I actually was going to BT Billy. I was going to, but I didn't today. That might be the play. I'm not sure. Market's gonna open up in what? About 7 minutes or so. Hey Nick. Think we get some follow through and some bear follow through? Possibly. Bruce Lee. His Royal Trades. I think we're gonna push up the rip. Let's see here. Do we push higher at the market open? Shake it up. Most likely. All right, red candles. Here we go. Here we go. Pump it. Corey, what's happening? I took 497 puts at 270 and they ran to 7 today. Oh, nice. Yeah, so we got so I did pretty good today. Bulenox locked in this payout right here, 55,015, so up 5,015 or whatever. And so I will take the max payout tomorrow night after market closes. So yeah, that's 10 days on that. They look pretty good. Let's look at the stats. 65 win rate. Not any real flip days, in my opinion. Maybe this day right here was a flip day. I did trade one NQ, but I guess that would be counted as a flip day. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So should be all good and clear for that payout. So I'll request the max 1,500 bucks. This one I activated yesterday. Made 746, nice little start. And this one here, 27. I think I'm only on like day 4 or so on the new payout, but we are grinding higher. I've had this account since April 29th. So quite proud of this one, actually. Hitchman, what's up? Katie Lay in the house. Yeah, we're doing good, wood chip. Doing good. Got another Bulenox payout coming, so that's good. What's happening, wood chip? Tyler, what's happening? Dawood, what's going on? Yeah, I take the same setups, pretty much, red candles, for sure. You could actually go back, red candles, some of my videos I used to post when I was first starting the stream. If you go back to my live videos, I used to post all my trades in the comments. I used to timestamp them. If anyone wants to ever check that out. Back in my early streams. How do you make a rectangle? You mean like on like the drawing tools? Just the shapes, rectangle. Yeah, you just go down to drawing tools, shapes, and rectangle. I got COVID yesterday, felt like dog crap all night and all morning, still trading, gave it back. Ooh, wood chip. Hope you feel better, man. Get better. So today I lose all the profit from last night, then made it back, then lost again, then didn't take profit, didn't get, but ended up small green on the day. Oh, nice. So he still ended up green, but it was a battle. Matt, what's happening? Stock up with apes. Hey, what's going on, man? Good to see you. Yo Jim requested his very first Apex payout. Let's go. Feeling nervous? That's alright. They deny you. You just gotta send in your feet pics and you'll be good. Nah, you just keep trading, right?
The market is open.
Alright, small gap down. Up 580. I made 585 on this new expert account. This is a funded expert account that I just got activated. Hey Romeo, what's going on? That's right, Tyler. Follow the rules, get paid. Absolutely. I've never been denied from Apex. Well, that's not true. I get denied from Apex because I blew the account after I requested like an idiot because I traded the wrong account. So there was no money in there for them to take out. So it wasn't technically a denial, but it was stupid on my part. That's what it was. They approved my payouts in 2 days. Let's go, Tyler. Even on Sundays. Gold swings longs. I'm looking for the gold swings. We'll take a peek at gold. Yeah, gold's looking very bullish. I think NASDAQ could possibly tank. The 30% windfall, yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. Market's pushing down here, 915s, 920s. Hey, Casual, what's going on? Smash the like button on your way in, guys. Appreciate it. Let those algos know what's up. See what we can do here. I don't want that. I want this. Hey, Dr. Phil. I'm your idol too, Eric. Appreciate that. I don't want to be anyone's idol, but I appreciate it. Doing all right, Dr. Phil. Pretty good day. I'm actually tired right now. I'm exhausted. Been tired all day, really. Trying to get my second wind in. 21,911. So getting that continuation to the downside. Hey Alfred, what's going on? Took a long on an MGC for a flip day. Nice. Nice. Gold is pushing. NASDAQ is crashing. Biblical 1700 on 5 NQs. Nice. So yeah, so we got some news coming out. Cashel says Iranian news. So let's check that out on the Trader Hub. Yeah, make sure you got your hard stops in too, you know. It's good practice anyway, but hey, Koss, passed the 25K take profit trader. Let's go. Nice. Love those take profit traders. Let's see. Is your A+ setup, Tyler? Awesome. Rejection of the fair value gap on the daily chart on gold with war news catalyst. Yeah, it looks good to me. Non-stop news was exhausting today. Yeah, it's going to be like that for a while, I think. And we got what is it? Drawing a blank. FOMC tomorrow. FOMC and unemployment tomorrow. So FOMC at 2 o'clock tomorrow. 8:30 unemployment claims. So non-stop tomorrow as well. Post a link to the Discord in the chat if you guys want to join up. It's completely free. It's just a place for people to hang. Yes, they do, Oscar. As long as you're under the 50% consistency rule, you can flip. Don't look at gold, don't even think about it, Design says. Is everyone else data wrong on Trade of 8 for take profit trader accounts? Did you, Biblical, you on the new contract? I'm trading the U. Oh, it's from 2 days ago. Oh, your balances are wrong. That's weird. I currently don't have any take profit traders. I was actually going to check. Oh, the Google outage? They haven't fixed it yet? Oh, right, okay. So it's right on the website. Yeah, I put it in the, it's in the link. I got it up in the chat, Roseanne Joe, because yeah, I'm actually going to take it right out of the description because you constantly have to update it. It's a pain in the butt. But I appreciate it. Yeah, it's right up there in the pinned it up to the chat. So if you want to check that out. Yeah, that's good that you took pictures, Biblical, for sure. The key to trading gold is don't chase it, right? Ouch. Turn my fan on. What in the world is Joom? New online game? Where in the world is Joom? Oh. Every time I start to get a confidence and take a bigger trade, I get wiped out or take a heavy loss lately, Mr. Smith. Yeah. Yeah, when you start to size up, it definitely, you know, it can mess with you psychologically. It takes a while to get used to. Yeah, even sizing down can mess with you if you're used to one size.
Order filled.
I'm gonna take a long here, just a stab, just to see. Just micros.
Order working.
Every time I start to get confidence and take a bigger trade. Oh, I already read that. So it closed the gap from last week, 21,894. I failed attempt. MES is definitely accumulating. I failed to attempt this week because at the very moment I sized up at Isaiah's stuff in gold is when we had those those wicked down wicks.
Order filled. Order working.
Flawless Trader, thank you for the sub. Appreciate it. Thanks for the support. Hey Butch, what's up? Size down, they say, as they sit in one micro. How's my day? Today was good. Yeah, the funded accounts all were green for the most part. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it was a good day. I didn't have any massive blow-ups or anything, which is always good. Qualified for a payout for Bulenox. Locked that in. So it was a good day. Do I trade New York City? Yes, I trade New York City. Mostly. Did you see FSP get banned from YouTube? Yeah, what did he get banned for? Biblical. What's the rumor? What's going on with that? Gambling? Well, that's for sure. People said reporting him. Oh, that's weird. FSP is Futures Scalper. Jack Boom. They perceive as, I heard it was for inflating views on old videos. Oh, yeah, that's probably it. Cause you can gamble. You can gamble on YouTube. People do it all the time. Like casino gambling, playing poker, doing that stake stuff. But who knows? Get banned from YouTube and Twitch. You like his faith but don't agree with his trading style. Huh, that's interesting, Amelia. Yeah, I mean, I'm gambling right now. I mean, I got money on the table. Simulated money. But I paid $100 for this account. Alright, I expected a little more of a bounce than this, so I'm going to close this position and just, I think I might wait.
Order cancelled.
So I'm just going to cancel. I'm just going to go flat. Eli, he asked to comment on previous day live video for giveaway. Right, yeah, yo, Jim, exactly. Like, actual casino gambling is on YouTube, like slot machines. When I was in Vegas a few months ago, there was an influencer, or some sort of streamer, YouTube streamer. He was sitting on a slot machine. He had a crowd of people around him, and he had a tripod set up with his camera, streaming. So I'm assuming he was some sort of YouTuber. When I see two inside bars like this consecutive, I like to take the outside one usually. I mean, the first one, but
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order working.
so we're short off the inside bars. Maybe we actually do tank it. He asked to comment on previous day live video for giveaway. Huh. Not his old videos. Oh, you can't do that? He's already got a new channel. FSP, fast track Scott Pulls. Design. Huh. Guess no one really knows. I mean... Hey, Joker Trades, what's up? So you're more scaled. If you move, doesn't go immediately. If you move, then tend to get out. Yeah, that was a little just discretion in that, Mr. Smith, for me. I expected to bounce kind of off the V-wall, put in an inside bar. I expected to break above this, and then I was just like, eh. And then we put in another inside bar. I says, I didn't really feel good about it, and so now we are taking the break to the downside of the which would have been should have been the one and only setup. It's the one we're in right now, but that's okay. We flip the switch here. Do I trade gold, Flawless Trader? I try not to, but I do sometimes, yeah. Trying to do the Facebook now. I'm actually on Facebook, Pine Tree Trader. No one ever follows me though. Oh, is that what you get if you have to have 100 followers? You can stream on Facebook? Huh. Alright, getting a little push down here. I didn't know you could stream. Well, I knew you could stream on Facebook, but I didn't know how it worked. So you got banned for false engagement. According to I Got You Again Man. Yeah, that's what people are saying. He posted that. Hey Tex, what's going on? 30,000 subs. Maybe he can't do live anymore. I don't know. Maybe they're not a real 30,000 subs too. A lot of people buy subs too, guys. A lot of people. It's not good for the YouTube. Jack Boom, how did I turn the Harami candles a different color? It's an indicator. So right up here, it's called LDT inside outside bars is one of them, and the Harami candles are called Ed of the Woods Harami, EOTW Harami. That's one of our subscribers made that, which is pretty cool. Can't get on Facebook at work. So I didn't know you guys. I didn't even know you could really stream off Facebook. Well, I didn't know how it worked, I guess. I have 22 followers. And they're all my friends, probably. If you guys want to follow me on Facebook, I'm on here. I do post. I pretty much just post the stuff that I normally do. That's me. I do have a page. If you guys want to follow that. Yeah, I'll do a Facebook live stream. How was anything that FSP did sneaky, Trader Matt? I guess it, he bought engagements or bought things. I don't know. Maybe. Did you buy the 12-inch subs? Half of Midnight Stack, yes. 90% off for the 4th of July, Francis? I'd love that. Manipulating views. How much have I taken from prop till date? A lot. A lot, Flawless Trader. I don't know. I'm probably at, like, if I had to guess, I'm around 50, 60,000 this year in payouts, around there. But I don't keep a tally until, I don't know, it gets in my head, to be honest with you. I keep my expenses and what I get paid out on and things like that, but something like that for this year. Why is everyone so concerned with FSP? We're here for Pine. Thank you, Taylor. No, it's all good. I've only watched FSP stream for like maybe 20 minutes. Just because people were all talking about it. Yeah, keep jabbing. Thank you. You guys as well. No, it's alright, Trader Matt. It's all good. I'm just glad you guys are engaged in the chat because you know what? I'm like half asleep tonight, so. appreciate you guys hanging out, smashing that like button. Will you be giving me a TPT account? I'll greatly appreciate it. We probably will have a giveaway with Take Profit Trader. I would say maybe the first of next week or the end of this week, depending on. Like I said before, I was very transparent about Take Profit Trader. You guys use my code PINE on Take Profit Trader. They, you get certain tiers. They give away accounts for me to use, but I'm gonna give them away as prizes on this show, so I appreciate it. Just to give you, to thank you guys for using my code. You haven't heard this song in a while? You used the video I made 10 years ago, Got You Again, Man? That's funny. Yeah, it's too bad. I don't want to see anyone like lose their channel. I mean, that's ridiculous. How do I add music to the streams, Tyler? So I use a website called Epidemic Sounds. Epidemic Sound, I think, or yeah. So Epidemic Sounds right here, Tyler. And you have to pay for it, but it's all you can get copyright free music. And then there's a process. You have to like download the music, and then you add it to, you download it to the source of Streamlabs. It's kind of a process, but there's some YouTube videos on it. I'll pull up the YouTube video that helped me. If I can find it. I think this guy, this LAS Curry, I think this was the one that yeah, Epidemic Sounds. This is the one that I found that I used. That one helped me a lot. And then there's also, Tyler, there's also, let's see. If you go to your YouTube studio, there's a new Creator Music beta down here. And you can download music, or you can pay. There's some free stuff, and there's songs that you can pay for too, and you can add those. Use AI to generate your music. Oh, I never thought of that. Red candles, yeah. Use YouTube Premium. I have YouTube Premium, but it's still flat. If I try to use any like the lo-fi stuff, it flags it. I can't monetize any of my stuff. Flawless Trader. It says it's copyright free, but it's still, but I'm not allowed to I can use it and not get banned, but I can't monetize anything. So like all my early streams, I was using lo-fi and stuff because of like the beats and all that with YouTube Premium. That's why I ended up getting YouTube Premium, was for the stream, but it flagged it all. Hey, Michael Benny, it was a good day. It was a good day. Thank you. Yep, pretty green, pretty solid. All right, we're still in this short trade here off that first inside bar. Thinking about taking kind of looking for a target down in this area, 882 possibly. Let's look left. Where are we going? There we go. There's a nice little push down there.
Order working. Order working. Order filled.
Take one off there.
Order cancelled.
Hey Daryl, what's up? Wow, what a bounce there. 885s. Did we sweep that low of that? Yeah, we did. Swept the low of that down here. Next stop. These lows here. On TradeAvate, how do you avoid the bracket orders that initiate after cancellation? How do I avoid the bracket orders that have to? Yeah, it sucks, Mr. Smith. I literally have to go to ATM off, and then you have to manually do it like one-to-one if you're scaling in and out. It's a pain in the ass. That's why Project X is so nice when it comes to that. I think that's what you're asking, right? Anyone here using Fund and Ticks prop? No, I'm not, Matt. Wow, what a bounce there. You are, Taylor? You're using Fund and Ticks? Nice. Was that the Asia low and bounce? I don't know what that bounce was. We swept this low here. And then immediately bounce. Damn. Bollinger Bands. Pine lives in Maine. He blood funds the ticks. Yeah, friggin' ticks are so bad up here. It's crazy. I have Lyme disease. Well, fun fact. I actually have Lyme disease. It's with me forever. All right, 902, 20,902. Bioweapon ticks, yeah, for sure. Yeah, I got it from a tick bite. Yeah, my whole back was like, it was a giant bullseye. My whole back. It was not cool. Did they say stop chasing ticks? Yes, exactly. All right, still pushing down here. Hey, Jonathan Trades, what's up? Good to see you. I was down in Portland today. Portland. Hey G, what's happening? Good to see you.
Order cancelled.
I'm gonna take that off right there. I'm just gonna wait to see what this candle does. Looks like we're gonna print another inside bar, possibly. That was quite the bounce. But we could just continue to the downside, but you just did some work over at the Sea Dog Stadium? Oh, that's awesome. So yeah, the soccer, I know, Jonathan, I know you're a big soccer fan. The Portland Hearts of Pine, the new soccer team, like they're so popular, they're gonna have to like get another stadium or something. They sold out every single game for the season, so. But it's right next door to the Sea Dogs place. Yeah, Portland Hearts of Pine. I think they play at Fitzpatrick Stadium, which is the it's the high school place. It's where the Portland high school football play. Yeah, I want to go check out a game. Looks like fun. Yeah, I think they... I mean, I gotta get some Hearts of Pine merch. I mean, it's only fair, right? It does fit me well. Hearts of Pine merch. could rock that. I could rock the mascot. Hey, Honest Steak, what's up? That is not me. But I need some of that Hearts of Pine merch though. We did put it in an inside bar. I bet we get continuation, possibly. Show fills. Get some Red Candles merch. Nice. Do you think Tron will pump on Partnership News Rumor? I have no idea what Tron's gonna do. I know nothing about crypto at all. Like I know nothing. I know nothing. All right. Still coming down. Gold starting to bounce. Yesterday's Asia low in play. Yeah, I think so too. I just marked it out. Yesterday's Asia low, right down there. 763s. My lights are flashing. I guess that wouldn't be Asia. That would be the... Asia would be at 8 o'clock. Is there any news tonight? Not really. Nothing that impactful, but with headlines coming out any second, at any moment, you just never know. Hey Sherry. I missed you, Sherry. What's happening? Might bounce from 67 to fill the gap and down. Hey, Tim Snyder in the house. What's going on? Hey, Christopher Campo, what's up? Good to see you guys stopping in. You hit the like button on your TV? Awesome. Yeah, thank you, Kenny. Smash that like button, guys. I love that you guys are watching on the TV sometimes, or in the car, or wherever. That's why I like to call out levels sometimes, because I know people are driving and I like to hear that stuff. All right, market's sitting here at 21,887. You think gold may head for 34.20? If we can bounce in this range. What's oil doing? Yeah, oil's just going higher. Yeah, I noticed the gas pumps were a little higher today. A little jump. Not that I really care on my Toyota Corolla. Gas doesn't really faze me. Oh, really, Keegan? That's crazy. All right, we're pushing down now. You got me on the 70-inch? Nice, let's go, G. Up 674, my first day on Take Profit Trader. Oh, awesome, Christopher. Any tips on dodging the intraday drawdown if I get there? The only thing I do differently, if I'm trading with size, then I move the stop. I trail the stop quickly. You know? But yeah. Alfred's listening at the gym. Yeah, I do that same thing, Alfred. When I'm at the gym, I'm listening. Gets that trading fix in, for sure. We put in equal lows there. The 5 minute. Or are we trying to? We did. Equal lows there on the 5 minute. It's interesting. Get that trading fix. I'm a trading junkie. And yeah, 100%. For another inside bar. Trap until another bomb strike lands. Yeah. Because I really want to short here, but I think we take out those equal lows, but it's more of an I think play. I don't really have a setup.
Order filled.
Alright, I'm going to take a short here. Could be all bears, yeah. Be cool if the flat V reversed. I was watching the market today. Amazing when Trump talking about maybe going Iran market moving up, so manipulated. Yeah, it really is. Not Iran, Israel, yeah. I think we take out these equal lows. This is my I think play. We'll see. YouTube asking for more caution around some aspects of our live content. You may notice a few small changes in stream, especially around disclaimers, how we talk about payouts, and some formatting details, all aimed at keeping the content fully within YouTube's policy. Yo, Jim, probably. Oh, Uncle Mo. I don't know, Keegan. I don't know. It's crazy. I mean, it is what it is. The way I'm gonna look at it is like we go until we can't no more, right? If they want to yank us off YouTube, they're gonna yank us off of YouTube. Ain't nothing I can do about it. Crazy. What's up, Mo? What's going on? Hope you're doing well, my friend. Yeah, I don't know. They're just, I don't know. Apparently people are getting warned on YouTube. Who knows, honest take. I don't know. I haven't gotten anything yet. But yeah, that's interesting with Stock Tiger. It's because we subbed to Jay. Well, if Jay hasn't been warned for anything, then I don't know. I love Jay, so Jay's my dude. Love to see a break of 879, 880s. Hey, Jonathan Trades, thanks for stopping in, man. Take it easy. My bike is faster than yours. I bet it is, yo, Jim. You're a bike mechanic, so I bet it is faster than mine. I don't actually have a bike anymore. Let's flush this down. I'd love to see, like I said, I'd love to see a break of the 880 here. I think then we could take out those equal lows at 873. There we go. Let's go. Let's get that flush down through there now. Come on. Just do it. Do it.
Order working.
Stop break even there. Come on. Really?
Order filled.
There we go.
Order cancelled.
So it was more of an I think play. It was a little clenchy. I was full clenching a little bit. In hindsight, I wish I would have never got in here. I wish I would have just waited for this break for more confirmation. But yeah, I was just looking to take out those equal lows there on the 5 minute. And that was basically the I think trade. But this would have actually set up, if I ever saw those equal lows, put it in this inside bar, I wouldn't have got as many points, but it would have been a little more clear for a setup if I would have just took the break of that inside bar there at like 880, 879, something like that. So you got yours for sale, Conquers 14. What was my bike buddy? Oh yeah, you guys, yeah. Let me switch up the playlist here. Some people are expecting Trump to speak tonight. It's a good possibility. I think he could pop on. If you guys do see him pop on or any confirmation, let me know, please. When do I look at higher time frames like the daily for trade ideas or just bias? Thanks. I have the daily up here, but I don't really look at it, to be honest with you. Sometimes I do. I don't like to have a bias because I'm a scalper, Mr. Smith. So I'm basically just trying to scalp off these inside bars and haramis, and I'm just looking for, you know, 10, 15, 20, 30 points per account, and then I'm usually done. So anytime I really have a bias, it can really burn me. It can really burn me. Especially if there's any sort of fundamental bias. So I have the daily up here more for talking points. But I don't actually really look at it. And I don't really look at this 1 minute chart either. I have this up for, this is a methodical man strat that I was working on. And that's why I have that up. I'm actually going to be putting up the 15-second chart for a strat that or I might be putting it up. I don't know what I'm going to trade it on, but a little systematic trade that Methodical Man's been talking about. I might try it on one account. I love my time-based systematic trades. So Methodical Man was back testing a 15-second, kind of a 15-second, the first 15 seconds of the day break. And so I was just kind of looking at that. And he had a pretty good win rate. It looks a little tricky. It looks a little tricky to enter, but the funny thing is I actually had one of those for the YM back in the day. Like, I was just looking for systematic trades. I think it was like the break of the 1 minute, stop at a trailing stop, take profit at 18 points. The next take profit was like 40 points. I don't know. I have it written down somewhere, but yeah, no problem, man. But I don't know if you guys noticed, like I was trading micros to start on this first inside bar break. And then, I don't know, I just had some good confidence that we're going to take out those equal lows, so I hopped in a mini. And that's what I do sometimes. I'll switch up sizes depending on like how I'm feeling, how confident I am, if I'm already up on the day. Things like that. Hey, fish lips, what's going on? I gotta grab some more water, guys. I'll be right back. Wow, nice little bounce there off that harami candle. Boy, I walked away in a bad time, didn't I? Got me some pistachios. Yeah, nice little harami candle break. So, in case you're new to the stream, this is how I would trade this setup. Put in Harami here. I would have took the break here. Obviously in hindsight now. So I took the break right here. Stop would have went below. The low of this candle. And then I would have targeted the top. So not a great risk to reward, but it would have been a nice little scalp there. That's how I would have scalped that. Obviously in hindsight now, but sometimes it works, sometimes it don't. That is the Michael Bennett strategy. Walk away during the best conditions. Yes, exactly. The mummy harami. Wow, look at that rejection off the VWAP there. Hey, Zabak. It is Taco Tuesday tonight. Lord NQ rise. Tomorrow is 6/18 for all you Fibonacci connoisseurs. Let's see what gold's doing here. $21,881. That is a nasty wick on that candle, logical thinker. Big rejection off the VWAP. I went long at 65, as I mentioned earlier. I was looking at 67 for the bounce, see where it can go. Move stop 17. Oh, nice. Good luck, good luck. Hey Tyler, yeah, we just took a trade off, taking a few trades. We just took this one here. We put in equal lows down here in the 5 minute, and then we popped up, and then I hopped in short to take out those equal lows, and it came down, took out those equal lows, and then it's popped back up to the VWAP here, but. So currently at about 322. on this account here. This is my funded futures account, which is currently buy one, pass one, and then get one free when you use the luckiest code on the prop streets, code Pine. Market is coming down here, 870s. So you pass one, Starter Plus or Expert, and you get a free eval. So, actually a really good deal, My Funded Futures, if you use code Pine. Appreciate the support of the channel. Passed my funded and immediately lost it back to sim, but did snag a free reset this morning on My Funded Futures. Oh, nice, Mr. Smith. So yeah, that's pretty awesome. I mean, it's a great deal right now, guys. Apex 80% off. Use code Pine. Bulenox 83% off. Use code Pine. And like always, Take Profit Trader. 30% off, no activation fees. Pine, all caps. Appreciate the support of the channel, guys. Yeah, end of day drawdown's great. My funded futures all have end of day drawdowns. Expert accounts. This expert account's right here that I got up to 585. It's a funded account. No consistencies at all, so. Yeah, it is Mr. Pistachio. Tyler. I got the pistachios going. Hopefully I'm not crunching in the ear, in you guys' ear. You hear me snapping and cracking? Alright, I'll stop. So good. I am having tacos in about an hour, so I need to put the fork down anyway. I'm new to Apex, and they sent me an email to send them an email for 3 days showing trades and entries and all this write-up. Is that normal? Yeah, apparently that's normal lately. The real Chad, for sure. Yep. I have not gotten that email yet, but... And it's not because I'm an affiliate. They don't know who I am. Trust me. Alright, 21,875. Yeah, not a bad cover there. I mean, I think we could still... I mean, we're still trending downwards. I think we can still keep going down. We got gold. It just ripped up during the open and then it has faded back down to almost unchanged. NQ currently down 0.37%. Yeah, a little Taco Tuesday action for sure, Tyler. Yes, absolutely. 90 Bar is convinced the eval bans from Apex are completely random. I have no idea what they're doing. But, you know, I still like them. I do. Spent 2 hours documenting trades, real Chad. Oh, crazy. Yeah, that's unfortunate, Sensei. I mean, real Chad. do I do Starter Plus or Starter for your deal for a free account pass? Starter Plus powers 737. Power Plus. Starter Plus or Expert account. It does not work with the starters. And I appreciate the support. PINE. Thank you. I have never tried the Futures Desk turnip truck. So power is 737. So with the Starter Plus, it is 50% consistency during the evals and no consistency once you're funded. That's the main difference between that and the starter. Expert accounts, there's no consistency, but keep in mind you got to make a little more. So 50K account, you got to make 4,000, but it's end of day drawdown. You can trade, you can pass in one day, and yeah, no consistency whatsoever. I'm gonna do bare minimum for documenting my stuff for Apex if they want. That's fine. So what do you mean you have to document? Is there like a form? Do they want like a spreadsheet? Like, what do they want? I haven't gotten this email, so. Josh Allen, I love the futures desk, especially when you go to static account. I'm gonna have to look into them again, actually, Josh Allen. It's one of those ones that I forget about. Nice pump up here. Yeah, currently right now I'm trading with Top Step, Take Profit Trader, My Funded Futures, Bulenox, Apex, and Tradeify. And I've also have traded with Trade Day as well. Trade Day. Christopher Campbell. It's pretty late, actually, Christopher Campbell. Usually around 10 o'clock Eastern time, 10 to 11, pretty late. Their dashboard updates. They've been really slow. It's kind of, I don't know, they're still going through those growing pains for popularity, so. They want all these texts and write-ups on the actual chart, why you took the trade. What if I just send them in my, I guess if I just send them in my live stream, real Chad, right? I talk about all my trades for you guys. When I'm trading by myself, I'm not, but. They want 5 days of screenshots with explanations, strategies, blah, blah, blah. Jeez. I'll post a pic of the email in Discord. Oh, okay, cool, Keegan. Thank you. It's like a free-form essay covering a number of requested topics. So yeah, if you scalp a lot all day, it probably that would suck. They're great, Pine, for static accounts. Oh, okay, Tyler. I'm gonna have to give him another look. Look-see. Austin. You got it too? My Apex email requested follow-up reports each day. I trade going forward. No one mentioned. Yeah, that might work. It should work. Strategy, make money. Yes. Strategy, I place a trade, no stops until it goes green. This is hilarious. I don't know who just posted this. Leonard, one of they just posted this. This is me, apparently with the pistachios, hanging in the woods here, in the pine trees. They just posted this on X under the My Funded Futures, which is funny, and with a hat on and everything. So, if you guys want to follow me on X, I am on X, Pine Tree Trader, right here, verified, and all that. So, it's really funny. Made me laugh. Thank you for that. Hey, Pradeep K. What's it? Do you live stream during New York session? Sometimes I do, but not lately. Sometimes I do. But thanks for tuning in. But yeah, occasionally you'll catch me randomly. I'll hop on in the morning. The AI stuff is out of control for sure. What do you guys use for the AI for like thumbnails and stuff? Because my thumbnails from Facebook, from the Facebook AI. I wonder what websites I can use that are easy. I think mine did, but I'm not sending them shit every day. No, I don't blame you. I've used Gemini and Copilot, but it's not that good. Yeah, I see some people using some good ones. Like I see like nutty bars, thumbnails and stuff. Alright, just kind of waiting here, sitting on my hands. Gold's sideways. Nasdaq's just under the VWAP here. Consolidating. Nice little push up from the Harami. Hasn't really done much. Volume's dried up. Possibly waiting for Trump's speech or Tokyo Open. Hey, Coach Set. Welcome. How's it going, Coach Set? You must be from the 0 Day J crew. Possibly. I'd say it's gonna shit the bed, so I guess that's a good long signal. You're right. Looks like we might have to wait on Asia. Yeah, for sure. Pretty happy with my trades so far. Nice little start. No, you see me in Nutty's chat. Oh, cool. Thank you. Hey, yeah. So, yeah, I'm here just about every night, Sundays through Thursday night, 6 to 8. and then randomly throughout the day they're in New York. The reason why I don't stream New York, because it's just flooded with streamers. So I usually have like, I trade New York, I get some loyal people, but I usually get like 10, 15 people watching. All right, testing that VWAP again. Let's see if we pushed up through there, the 21,900. Movie stopped too early, Cos. Yeah. Boy, we rejected off that VWAP again. 21,900. Still below the VWAP here. It looks like it wants to try to break up higher, but it's tough.
Order filled.
I'm running along here. Just looking for a scalp. I just posted in the limit order in Discord going din din. All right. Yes, thank you. Posting in the Discord, Christopher. If you guys do want to join the Discord, it's right up in the top, pinned to the top. It's free. I don't get anything from it. It's just a place for us to hang out.
Order working.
Short sovereignty. Good luck. Good luck. Probably the smart play. We are on a downtrend. That's for sure. Yeah, we're trying to break it, but it keeps rejecting for sure off that VWAP. The Joom candle. And Joom here. Gotta get above that VWAP though. Rejected off it again. I need my Joom impression for the phone alert. Yeah, it is a brick wall. Come on, let's get up through there. Should get a little pop if we can get above that 900. There's a little pop there. Oof. Missed my take profit by a few ticks there. I don't like that. Ugh. .904. I missed it by a point there. Like Nutty says, kicked in the tick. I might get out of this. I don't like the way this candle is closing. Trying to be patient. Yeah, we'll just let it run. We'll let it run. Why is Trade of 8 P&L shows positive number even when position is in the red? How stupid. Looks like we got a death candle coming. Possibly. Never fight the VWAP, I know. But it's not real. The VWAP's not real, guys. But yeah, we missed that by a point there. I should have just manually closed. Shoulda, woulda, coulda, but... we'll see. Maybe we'll get lucky. Yeah, nice little bounce there. The death candle, just like a bearish engulfing candle, yo, Jim. Like a big bearish engulfing. Something like this. Kind of grinds higher and then poof. Call it like a death candle. I don't know. It's not any technical term or anything. Trend line on 2 minutes, bouncing off from. Yeah, we kind of have a 5-minute trend line as well. To the, you know, one of these numbers, but oop, that was a very poor line. Be nice if we can hold above that, but break underneath it would actually trigger a pretty good short. All right, 21,888. We'll see. John Walk, I haven't seen him today. I haven't seen John Walk today. Hopefully he's doing all right. Hang with Joom, probably. The market is slowly grinding higher at the moment. After we put in this Harami candle here at 862. But still below the VWAP on the 5-minute, and doesn't seem like it wants to break that or hold above that 21,900. It's being stubborn. So my stop's at 21,883. I gotta take profit at 905.75. I missed it by a point. I was looking to kind of like push up above this candle. Figured we could sweep up above it, but hey David, what's up? David Peskett. There we go. A little bounce there, trying to push up through the VWAP.
Order filled.
There we go.
Order cancelled.
Just getting off work. What line of work are you in, David? What line of work are you in? Just curious. What's your day job? You don't have to say if you don't want. That's perfectly fine too. Could be top secret. Thanks for tuning in though. Appreciate it. Passed a second eval without blowing one. Never done that before. Oh, nice, David. It's always good. I work at a... Oh, you do CNC workshop. Oh, no, wood shop. Oh, that's cool. Very cool. Little CNC machine action. Had the right plan. Long 65. Just moved the stop too early. I'm done after that one. Yeah. So, wow, we're pushing higher now. Now we're busted up above that VWAP, kind of running this volume up in here. Still got a small gap up above too. Could actually make a run for. But yeah, this was just a break of the inside bar here. That's all I was thinking. And lately I've kind of been looking for 100% of the candle. And that's what I was mainly targeting. This is not exact science. See there? But what I do is I just have a fib. I cheat. I just do that. Something I've been experimenting with on the overnights. So, engineer at a foundry, crossfire trading. Oh, cool. That's cool. It's so boring. Literally the same thing every day. I'm trading half the time. Yeah, I've had those. Believe it or not, when I used to be a mail carrier, and when you do the same route every single day, it's very boring. I used to like it when I was more of a substitute carrier because I would get to do different routes all the time, and then when I became full-time carrier, it was like the same thing every single day. very monotonous. Alright, pushing up above the VWAP now. Came back, tested the VWAP, now it's bouncing off the VWAP. So, what's a foundry? Like a metal, it could be like a metal shop, foundry, things like that. Going for that gap fill cost? Yeah, possibly. If you guys do me a favor, we've got 175 people watching. Please smash that like button. See if we can get up over 100 likes. I don't know where we're at, but that would be awesome if we can do that. Can't tell how many likes we have. It's good for the YouTube. Thank you, Red Candles. Kenny, you run a Gerber Saber in your workshop? That's cool. Oh, in your sign shop. All right. This market's on steroids. Too much economic news today. Yeah, definitely been crazy. I expect it to be like this the rest of the week. I expect it to be like this for the next 3 years. To be honest with you. But I definitely like it. I like the volatility. I hate it when markets go sideways, especially during the summertime. You'll often see the markets get really, really slow. So hopefully it's not slow all summer. I don't see it being slow. Even these overnights have been okay lately. This is okay movement, and obviously the volatility and the volume is going to pick up here in about 10 minutes. We melt iron and steel to form into parts used in the mining industry. Oh, cool. Crossfire trading. Another inside bar here. I'm not going to take this one though. Already broke to the upside. I'm not feeling it. So many people ask me, like, you know, win percentage on inside bars, things like that. I don't take every inside bar. You know, it's a little, there is some discretion involved. It just kind of offers a very easy point of entry for new traders. And that's what I like about it. Japan export news just hit. Oh, okay, red candles. Is forgetting to send you a TPT. I wish. I don't have any TPTs myself. But if you guys are using Take Profit Trader and you'd like to help support my channel, I appreciate you guys using my code PINE, all caps, PINE, and along with Bulenox, Apex, and My Funded Futures. Currently, I think My Funded Futures has the best deal going on right now. How many accounts I got going on right now? Oh, jeez. 6 My Funded Futures, 4 Bulenox, 4 Tradeifys. I'm working on an XFA. I don't know. Yeah, that's what I'm working on right now. Currently don't have any Take Profit Traders, but I will soon. I'm waiting for that Bulenox payout to hit the bank. I use yours and still trying to pass it. It is the luckiest code, Sovereignty, so I appreciate the support, man. So yeah, so anyways, like I was saying, My Funded Futures. Currently, show it real quick again. Yeah, pass one, get one free. My Funded Futures using code PINE. And it's the Starter Plus and Expert accounts. So if you pass the Starter Plus or an Expert account, you get one free. So, pretty awesome deal. Bulenox expensive. It's, hey, what's up, man? So it's currently 83% off, 25Ks and 50Ks Bulenox, and it is $140 activation, $148 activation. So it's a little bit higher, but I do like them. Yeah, 148. I currently have been crushing the Bulenox lately, and they have the Project X. If you guys like the Project X stuff, the Bulenox, but cheap evals, but then you pay on the activation type deal. So. But yeah, I currently think My Funded Futures is probably the best deal right now, to be honest. Alright, currently up 488 in this account here. Made some pretty nice trades. Stuck with the game plans for the most part. Traded the inside bars, placed a few micro trades as well. Oh, cool, Cashflow. Testing on the tick charts. Interesting. You think My Funded Futures is difficult to trade? Why do you think that? They have end of day trailing drawdown. End of day drawdown. the daily loss limit. Or are you a hyper scalper? So they don't like you know, hyper scalping. Because I think, personally, I think My Funded Futures is the easiest payout to get with the starter accounts and starter plus accounts. 5 days over $100 and you can take a payout. It's pretty good. So, peaked below the VWAP there and then bounced straight back up. Alright guys, I don't think I'm going to take any more trades tonight. But yeah, I really appreciate you guys using my code PINE. Like I said, on My Funded Futures, help support my channel. Bulenox Apex, Take Profit Trader, and Tradeify. You got to use my link and then use the default code. Unfortunately, they won't give me a code yet, but hopefully soon. Hopefully soon. But yeah, smash that like button on the way out. I'm gonna call it there tonight, guys. Thank you for the support. I really appreciate the support, guys. And I will see you tomorrow. Thank you so much, guys. Stay safe. Hug the ones you love, alright? Peace.